Create this cupcake poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color codes and other resources. Go to Elements and add a shape. Change the color to chocolate color. Add a text. Change the font to Impact. Change the transparency to 15. Duplicate it 2 times. Select All Rotate to 15 degrees. Adjust the position. Import your cake image. Remove the background and adjust the size and position. Duplicate this cake. Go to Edit and make it 70% blur. Rotate and set it in the bottom left corner. Duplicate it and set the position to top right corner. Go to Elements and add a drop shadow under the cupcake. Go to the position and drag the shadow under the cake. Add a text. Duplicate this text. Now duplicate this. Again, duplicate this. Change the font to Alex Brush. Change this text font to Impact. Change the text color. Apply Impact font in it as well. Now change this text font to Montserrat. Change the font color. Adjust all the text size and position. Go to Elements and add a glow. Go to Edit and apply Polar Filter. Duplicate it. Go to the position and change both glow positions under all the layers. Go to Elements and add an Order Now button. Change the button color. Here is the final result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check the WhatsApp channel for the template link. Thanks for watching.